Automated microblasting equipment. Peenmatic 1000 ZRA. Robosandero. Basic configuration. For microblasting pistols. Microblasting agent pre-accelerating system. Robot handling. Flip-over station. Microfilter including HEPA filter. Advantages. High and repeatable quality. Compact design including microfilter in it, therefore quickly ready for use after relocation. User-friendly programming. Microblasting of parts in a wide variety of shapes and variants. Desired surface roughness through flexible parameters. Suitable for blasting of medium and large size series. High flexibility. A robot arm takes the workpiece and ensures it has been picked up correctly. The workpiece moves in a defined way, and the microblasting pistols are individually adjustable. Microblasting pistols can be used independently of one another. To ensure that the workpiece is processed from all sides, the hand changes the grip in the flip station. The same process applies to the other sides of the workpiece, too. The workpiece is then blown off and deposited into the holder at the end of the process. The process begins all over again.